Hey, this is CJ the Traveling Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped here in Indiana. Yes, Indiana. We're going to explore all over Indiana. We're going to go to every city, town, and village in the state of Indiana. And let me say hello to everyone in Indiana. This is CJ the Traveling Man. Hey, let me tell you a little bit about Indiana. Indiana entered the Union December 11th, 1816. The capital is Indianapolis, Indiana. The origin of the original name was Land of the Indians. The state's nickname is the Hoosier State. State motto is the Crossroads of America. The state song is On the Banks of the Wabash and Far Away. Indiana also has 2 national parks, 24 state parks, and 17 historical sites. The state tree is the tulip tree, the state bird is the cardinal, and the state flower is the pony. Indiana is also known for the Indianapolis 500, and yes, the one and only Basketball Hall of Fame. Let me tell you some notable famous people that are from Indiana as well. We got Larry Bird, we got Bill Blass, we got Frank Berman, we got James Dean, we got Virgil Grosson, we got James R. Hoffa, we got Michael Jackson, we got Buck Jones, we got David Letterman, we also have Thomas A. Hendricks, we got Charles W. Fairbanks, we got Thomas Marshall, we got Dan Quayle, we also have Red Skelton, Forrest Tucker, and Wilbur Wright. A little bit of Indiana facts. I'm gonna throw it at you. Within the name that is generally thought to mean Land of Indians, Indiana was omitted, yes, as I said before, December 11th, 1816, and was the 19th state of the Union. Its capital is in Indianapolis and has been there since 1925. But a little trivia fact, CORYDON, Indiana used to be the original capital before Indianapolis. So look into that. This is CJ the Traveling Man. Thought I'd let you know. We're going to be going from every town, city, and village in the state of Indiana. So like I said, spread the word. Let everybody know that CJ the Traveling Man is coming to a town, a village, and a city near you. Peace.